Hi everyone, this is Emmy and Blue the Fox with the Wauconda Area Public Library. For this week's Take and Make craft, we will be making these love bugs. In your craft kit this week, you will receive a small baggie with a pipe cleaner, 2 sets of googly eyes, and some foam adhesive stickers. A quarter sheet of colored construction paper. A half sheet of colored cardstock. Of your own supplies, you will need scissors, glue, someone you love, and coloring supplies. For our first step, I'm going to cut 2 strips from our colored cardstock. I think it's extra cute for the love bugs if you vary the size or the width of the strips so that your love bugs have different body shapes. You can see here I had a little left over. If you had leftover pipe cleaners and some room, you could always make them a little baby love bug. And so here I'm using tape to seal my tube. You could absolutely use glue. Just for the sake of the love bug's structural integrity for this video, I decided to use tape so we didn't have to wait for it to dry. Next, I will take my construction paper and I'm going to sketch out, but you can always freehand their wings and antenna. This is another great place to vary your love bug's personality. For my taller love bug, I'm trying to make his wings and his antenna a little more droopy, whereas for the shorter love bug, I'm making the wings a little perkier and the antenna. So this is a good time to kind of think about what personality you want your love bugs to have. It's also a great place to talk about shapes and shape language with little ones, as well as actual bugs. Do you want your love bug to have butterfly wings? Do you want them to have dragonfly wings? Do you want them to have ladybug wings? Here are my appendages all cut out, so I'm using glue to attach them to my love bugs. So of course, attaching the wings in the back, I tried to center it so the seam is in the very back so you can't really see it from the front. And then attaching the antenna, I find the easiest way is to hide a little bit on the inside of the antenna and gluing it on the same side as the face is going to be. I guess circles don't have sides. Towards the front where the face is going to be. And as we talk about giving our love bugs unique personalities, I would love to see, as would everyone else at the Wauconda Area Public Library, the wonderful take and make crafts that you're making. So if you make this week's craft and you finish it, please share it with us on Facebook and Instagram, tag us, and we will definitely repost it. We are so excited to see what you make. I'm so curious what you guys are doing. I'd love to see it. Our love bugs are all ready for some faces, so I am opening up my baggie and taking stock of my googly eyes and my adhesive shape choices. I'm going to use these as noses, but you can always use them as decoration or another part of their face or body. And then taking my glue stick and attaching the eyes. And these stickers just have little foam backings that you can peel off just like a normal sticker. I picked a yellow circle for my tall love bug, and I'm picking a orange square for my short love bug. thought about making it a diamond for a second, but it looked too much like a beak, so I ended up keeping it as a square. Next, I will take my coloring supplies just to give them a little bit more decoration. I'm giving my short love bugs some chunky eyebrows. And then my tall love bug some blushing cheeks. But you could give them bows, little outfits, flowers. You could add, like I did on my first batch, some lines to suggest like bug anatomy, like their soft little underbellies. And here I'm just cutting my pipe cleaner down to small leg-size strips. And so bugs have anywhere from 2 to 8 legs. I guess even more if you're counting millipedes and centipedes. In this case, I decided that my tall love bug will have 2 pairs of legs, whereas my small love bug will only have 1, but you can do any split of leg quantities that you please. And then I'm using tape to adhere these. Of course, you can use glue. And just attaching them to the side of my love bugs. Now that my legs are attached, we can do our final step, which is make them hold hands. And so I'm just wrapping their 2 pipe cleaners around each other so that they're holding hands. And that is our final step. Here are our finished love bugs. Please share a photo of your craft with us. We will repost it, tag us on social media. Make sure to subscribe and like, and we'll see you next week with a new craft.